Sri Lanka Olu Waterfall. Ever dreamt of discovering a hidden cascade where nature's artistry is on full, majestic display? Tucked away amidst the emerald embrace of Sri Lanka's central highlands lies Olu Ella Waterfall, a truly breathtaking natural wonder. Standing as one of the island's tallest, its waters gracefully plunge from an impressive height, creating a mesmerizing veil against the ancient rock. You'll feel its powerful presence and hear the soothing roar long before its grandeur comes fully into view, building an incredible anticipation. Surrounded by untouched, dense rainforest and vibrant tea plantations, Olu Ella offers a pristine escape from the everyday hustle. The air around the falls is wonderfully crisp and cool, carrying a refreshing mist that kisses your skin and invigorates your spirit. While reaching this natural marvel might involve a little adventurous trekking, every step through the lush landscape adds to the unforgettable journey. It feels like stepping into a secret garden, a sanctuary where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly immerse yourself. Unlike some more crowded spots, Olu Ella often offers a more secluded and intimate experience, letting you connect deeply with its serene beauty. The way the sunlight catches the falling water, creating tiny rainbows, is a spectacle that truly takes your breath away. Prepare your cameras, because every angle provides a postcard-perfect view, ensuring memories you'll cherish forever. It's not just a waterfall. It's a testament to Sri Lanka's raw, untamed natural beauty and a haven for peace seekers. Allow the sheer scale and tranquility of Olu Ella to wash away your worries and fill you with a sense of profound wonder. For those who crave genuine natural splendor and a touch of adventure, this majestic cascade is an absolute must-see on your Sri Lankan itinerary. So, are you ready to witness the captivating charm and immense power of Olu Ella Waterfall for yourself? Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you spending time with us.